Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beth, the crazy cat lady. As you know, for some of you, if you don't, I am Beth Carrera and I refer myself to the crazy cat lady. So welcome back, and today I got a little friend. This is my spooky doll. I didn't put the batteries in, but it almost, I was thinking of yesterday when I pulled her out, it kind of reminds me of Lizzie Borden with the axe. You know what I'm saying? Like that Lizzie Borden, because look, it has axe. Really, really creepy. I love this. And I really wanted to get another one this year, like a different one. So maybe next year I will. But anyways, I have her, put her right there. Okay, guess what I got? I got Ipsy. So I got Ipsy again for the month of October. So let's see what I got. I hope it's Halloween themed. No, but it's Betty Boop. Oh my god, and it's like sequins. Really, really cute. Love it. Okay, so let's see what's inside of this bag, shall we? This is really cute. Oh, and it has a bee. And my name is Beth, so this will go good with bee with the little hearts. Really cute. I love this. So let's see what we got. Looks like we got a lot of stuff going on here. We have the card. Okay. With all the information. We got 5 items in here. So let's see. Oh, this is cute. Lip cream. This is lip cream. And this is the NYX Professional. Look, it's a little on the dark side, so this is good for Halloween. NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in Chaperone. So they even give you tips and everything. And this whole thing was $12. $12, that's it. For the little case. And the last time I got the Ipsy, I didn't care for it. It was like all these little tiny things, but I really like this. So let's try this on. I just want to put a little dab to show you. It's very dark. Oh yeah, I like that. Very smooth. It's good for Halloween. So that is a cute thing. This is a hydrating lip balm. Like that. And that hydrates your lips. Protects UCBD drill from hemp. Oh, okay. What the? It has strong anti-fluoride properties to heal your skin. Oh, this has CBD in it. Okay. And this, oh my god! This is a mascara. A Betty Boop mascara. What? Look at these bristles. Really, really, really cute. Look at how adorable that is. So you get a mascara. Ooh, and then you get this cute, I like Betty Boop. I remember it's an old cartoon character Oh, I love this. This has like a brush, a two-way brush with like a little point at the end of one and then fluffy at the other. Oh, it's soft too. I like that. Love, love, love. And the last thing is acne control cleanser. I always use cleanser, and I do get acne even if I'm 50 years old. And look at the cute bag. Oh my God. This is well worth, I mean, a brush. This is well worth 12 bucks. I'm telling you, look at how cute Betty Boop. So that is it. These are all my 5 items, and it comes with this cute, I'll tell you, Ipsy stepped it up again. The very first time that I ever got it, I wasn't impressed, and then I'm like, oh, I don't want it anymore. But I'm telling you, I think it's improved a lot. A lot. And look at how beautiful these bags are. They're so gorgeous. And if you wanted to see on the card all the items I got, and I only paid 12 bucks. That's it. So I will, you just go to Ipsy.com and I'll put it down in the description. But that's it. That's all I have for you. And happy Vlogoween 18 today. So I hope you enjoyed this. And comment below if you get Ipsy on and what your thoughts of getting the Ipsy subscription. And just I love you all and have an awesome night. And tomorrow I am going to film a few places. I'm going to actually go out. I've been working so hard in the house trying to get it organized, and I'm like, you know what, I want to go out. I want to venture out and do some spooky stuff and filming, and I want to use my spirit box for the first time. And I mean, I turned it on and stuff, but I didn't really hear it, you know. So I really want to get in depth with it and use it. And yeah. And go somewhere, and then go somewhere else and film that for the holiday, for the October season. So have a great night, and we'll see you on the next Vlogoween. Bye.